Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're doing cinnamon chipotle spare ribs. So let's get going. All right, so this rub recipe actually came from my wife, who found it in a cookbook. She's done it on some pork chops, and I thought it'd be incredible for some spare ribs. So this is the rub. We got some raw sugar, some chipotle powder, some onion powder, garlic powder, some cinnamon, need cinnamon, a little bit of paprika, and some oregano. I'm gonna do some fresh cracked pepper, and some sea salt. That's it. Nice and simple again. Get that mixed up. All right, so here we got our St. Louis cut spare ribs. I did buy the whole slab and I trimmed them down. I love having those extra like riblets and the extra pieces from a whole cut of spare ribs. I love cooking those up. So let's go ahead and get this rubbed down. All right, just a note, this is for one slab of ribs. Don't have a whole lot of rub left over. So if you're gonna be doing multiple slabs, triple or even, 5 times the recipe. Give you a good amount to work with. All right, we're gonna let this rest, and we're gonna get the pit barrel heated up. We're gonna be hanging these ribs, so we'll get these on. All right, we got the pit barrel all heated up. I got a little apple wood in there. Go ahead and get that hanging. That's it. We're gonna let this cruise for about 3 hours, and then we are gonna do the Texas Crunch. We're gonna wrap these, and we'll take a look at that process when we're ready. So we are at that 3-hour mark. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Beautiful color. Let's go ahead and get these wrapped. All right, we got them all done, or 3 hours on the pit barrel hanging. Go ahead and get that hook out. I'm gonna hit it with some squeeze butter. Hit it with a little bit of honey. This has been heated up in the microwave just to get it to squeeze out a little bit better. And I got some plain old apple juice, or I'm sorry, apple sauce. And this will make our glaze. Go ahead and get that wrapped tightly. Get these back on the pit barrel for about another hour or so, and I think we'll be done. So it's been just over an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. So here we go. Chipotle Cinnamon spare ribs with, I don't know, an applesauce glaze, you want to call it? I don't know. I just kind of made that part up. They smell incredible. You get that cinnamon, the smoke, the applewood. smells incredible. Let's go ahead and slice these up. There you go. Nice and juicy. Little smoke ring. Let's bite into these. That's definitely got that sweet, that heat. I think I left them in the foil a little too long. They're kind of, you know, they're definitely fall off the bone, but I like them a little bit more with a little bit more bite to them. But oh, these are incredible. Nice and simple rub. You know, just some applesauce, some butter, some a little bit of honey to sweeten it up. This is pretty nice. Remember, guys, give this a try. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.